And when you get ready to load it up, the battery is really not that heavy, but it might make it a little lighter. You can go ahead and take that battery out, turn around here, release your release, and it will just fold up. You can set it in the back of your SUV or in the trunk of your car, whatever you have. Easy peasy. Meet the Kerdom DX07, a lightweight carbon fiber electric wheelchair designed to fold up and travel more easily than many traditional power chairs. The frame weighs just 36.5 pounds without the battery, which made it manageable to load into the back of my SUV. It uses a removable 24-volt, 12-amp-hour lithium battery, and Kerdom rates it for up to 15.5 miles on a full charge. Of course, the actual range will depend on the rider's weight, speed, hills, weather, and the type of surface you're riding on. Power comes from two 180-watt brushless motors. It is rated to support up to 350 pounds, and the armrests can be adjusted further apart to give you a little more seating room. Riding through the grocery store parking lot and along the paved paths at the park gave me a good feel for the controls. It was easy to steer, turned nicely, and handled the everyday surfaces I used it on without any trouble. Whether you're headed to the grocery store or headed to the park, the Kerdom DX07 is ready to go when you are. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, if you are in the need of an electric wheelchair, you might check out the Kerdom DX07. It's a winner in my book. Hey, if you want to check it out for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can go check it out. Also, you might want to check out this playlist right over here. Might be something else in there that you would be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.